What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for a little while. Just consider it a vacation. We all get vacations, right? Okay. No, but real talk, I had braids in and you know, there was nothing for me to talk about. But now I have something to talk about. So I'm talking about it today. Okay. So as you all know, I have been on this whole kick of finessing synthetic wigs, making them look natural as possible, or just trying to show you that you don't have to spend a lot of money to look nice. So I'm doing another one of these videos. However, this is not a tutorial. If you want to see a tutorial on how I do it in very good detail, click on the pop-up above me right now. Watch that video first and you'll understand how to do it completely. And then you can just watch my videos to get new ideas, new hairstyle ideas. And if you want to look for new synthetic wigs, then I'm going to be giving you suggestions, you know, different ones to look out for. Now, in today's review, because this is more of a review, but I will show you me putting it on and everything like that. I just won't be talking because I'm going to be repetitive. I install these the same way each and every time. This is the wig that I will be trying on this time. It says Premium X Lace Wig. And the style is February and the color is deep green. And they have plenty of other colors. I see that it says they have a black blue. They have standard black and brown and light brown, things like that. A whole bunch of colors. So it's really up to you guys. Yeah, I think I just want to get right into this video. I missed y'all. I missed recording. So hopefully that this break doesn't happen again, because I really did. I was getting an anxiety because I like to change my hair a lot, and them braids, there was nothing I could do with the braids in my hair, so I'm like, I need my hair done. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show, enjoy the music, watch me do what I do. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and let's go. This is the color. Again, it's so again, this color is deep green. It looks so good. I love it. The one thing I will say is that I'm happy that I found a skin tone colored cap. I kept going to my beauty supply store and they only had black ones. So even in that last video that I'm telling you to watch if you haven't seen it yet, I had only a black one, and it makes me so mad because then I have to take foundation and put it on the black section where the part is going to be, and all of this extra. But now that I have this, it's going to make life so easy. This is, again, this wig has like this closure. You see how it has this closure piece in it? I explained all the details between the difference between a closure and a frontal on that last video as well. But you see this piece here? Now that I have this skin tone colored cap, when I put it on and put the wig on, look at that. That's because that cap is there. That part looks like a scalp. Hallelujah! Again, just like my other wig, this one has clips in it, which will make life easy for us. that it is very thin. I like full hair, I like big hair. So when I first put this wig on, I didn't like it. You see how at first I had the middle part? I wasn't too sure about it. One, I have a big forehead, so when things are like a middle part, it's fine, but the hair has to be big. This hair was like kind of flat, and I didn't really like that too much. That's one thing that I did not like about the wig. So what I had to do was take the Got To Be Glue Blasting Freeze spray. I had to use this and pretty much tease the hair, so it helped a little bit. Like, it's a little bit more full. It's just not full enough for me. That's one thing I do not like about it. I do love the color, and I want to get close for you guys to see the green up close. The color is beautiful. It gave me a chance to have fun with makeup. I don't do makeup. I'm not a makeup professional. I'm not an MUA. But, you know, I had fun with my makeup because this hair color was so fun. Other than that, another thing that I did not like about this wig is that it's just a closure. It's not the whole frontal. I like that better because I can control things. Like, I like to have fun and be extra with my hair and go all like this and like this and, you know, be dramatic. But with this wig, I can't do that as much because it won't look natural. Like, when it has the whole frontal, I can do the baby hair all along and like along the whole front, and it looks natural. This only has that natural look right here at the part, so all of this, if it's pulled back, looks weird. Like, see, this is the wig right here, so it's literally just the wefts of hair, like all along here. All you see is the hair, so you wouldn't really want to pull your hair back because that just looks, and this looks ugly. So with this wig, you're stuck wearing it one way, and again, I like to change my hair a lot, so that would kind of annoy me that I can only wear it one way. Another thing is that this wig is meant to be worn down the middle. That's how the picture is on their display. However, I liked it better to the side, and then I just did a little bit of cutting. I tried to do layers, which is another way of making your hair look, it gives the illusion of your hair being thicker. If you hear a noise, that's my air conditioner. I hope that it's not interfering with how I sound. I think those are my only things that I did not like about it. I love that it's a synthetic wig because I don't have to do anything to it. I can literally sleep in this carefully or take it off and put it on every day without having to curl it, without having to twist it up, anything. It's just, it's synthetic hair. It's going to stay in the pattern that it's going to stay in forever, you know. It's really soft. The only reason it's tangling right now is because I put that holding spray in my hair. And I think that's it. There's not much to say about it. It's, you know, it's a synthetic wig. You really can't say much about a synthetic wig. It's like, it is what it is. But I want you guys to let me know what you think about this particular wig. Not as much how I put it on, because like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is just a review. If you guys are looking for any cute synthetic wigs, I'm just giving you guys some inspiration, giving you guys some suggestions, some recommendations, that's all. So let me know how you like this wig. Let me know if you liked it better when it was a middle part as opposed to a side part, and let me know if you liked it before I teased it or after I teased it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for all the other things I have in store for you guys. I'm back! If you did enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Show me some love, show me some support. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, girl. And I will see you guys later with another video. I've been going so long, I don't want to let y'all go, but let me let y'all go. Whoa! Okay, bye.